Hi there folks, and welcome to the Word Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 310, and a very happy new year from all at Team Rigour Maths. New year of course starting off with a Fibonacci date. So a Fibonacci sequence is one where a next term in a sequence is generated by adding the two previous terms together. And if you write the date in the very contrived format of day, month, first digit of year, second digit of year, then you actually kind of get a Fibonacci sequence. So a 1 for the first, a 1 for January, a 2 for the 20, and a 3 for the 3 and 23. And as you can see here, if we add the 1 and the 1, we get 2, and if we add the 1 and the 2, we get 3. And what we're saying is that if this was a Fibonacci sequence, it would then continue. So if we actually added another 2 digits on, so minutes and then hours, in other words, the time of day, at what time of day would the date still be a Fibonacci sequence? Well, of course, our next term would have to be adding the 2 and the 3 to get 5, and then our next term after that we would add the 3 and the 5 to get 8. So if 5 is the minutes and 8 is the hours, then that means the time would be 8:05. Very well done if you got that rather cryptic question right. Okay, so following on from his World Cup victory, Lionel Messi, the government in Argentina are considering putting his face in an 1,000 peso note. So what is the value of a 1,000 peso note in pounds and pence? So to change foreign currency back into pounds and pence, we have to divide by the exchange rate. So it comes to this big long number here. So of course for the pence bit we need to round to 2 decimal places. So is it going to stay as a 5 or round up to a 6? Well, because of the 8 it's going to round up to a 6. So that's going to give us a final answer of £4.66. Talk about rigour and precision from the wee man himself. So our next story from Scotland, these are always quite fun. Top 5 girls' names, top 5 boys' names. From 2022, how many can you work out? So girls' names first of all, we've got 3 times 5, which is 15, which would be O. So the top girl's name of 2022 is Olivia. So square root of 25 is 5, which is E, and number 2 is Emily. Then for number 3, we've got 3 squared, which is 9, which gives us I. So that's going to be Isla. So square root of 36 is 6, so that's going to be F. So then we've actually got Freya. Very well done if you got that one. And then 10 divided by 2, which is 5, so it's another E. And then we've got Ella. So now on to the boys. Square root of 100 is 10, which would be J. So that's Jack for the most popular boy's name in Scotland in 2022. So 2 times 7 is 14, which is N. So again, we've got Noah featuring. So 3 times 4 is 12, which is L. So then we've got Leo. 18 take away 3 is going to be 15, which is O. So this one's going to be Oliver, not Olivia. And 2 cubed is 8, which is H. So the last one we were looking for was Harris. So very well done if you get any of them right. So we've had a Messi story. Well, now we've got a Ronaldo story. So he's joining Saudi Arabian side Al Nassr on a deal until 2025, and he's going to be reportedly the biggest, the highest earning athlete in the world. So 177 million per year. How much would this be per month? So 12 months in a year, so we divide by 12 to get 14,750,000. So there's 52 weeks in a year, so we divide 177 million by 52 to get £3,403,846.15. So 365 days in a year, so we divide by 365 to get £484,931.51 per day. Staggering. So for an hour, there are 24 hours in a day, so we can divide this figure by 24 to get £20,205.48 per hour. 60 minutes in an hour, so if we divide this figure by 60, we get £336.76 per minute. 60 seconds in a minute, so divide by 60 again, so he actually gets £5.61 every second. Is he worth every penny? Only time will tell. And there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.